What is your name? What is your name?
Beethoven.
Your name's not Beethoven. How does Beethoven sound? How does Casey Cat sound?
Meow.
How does Honey sound?
Ruff, ruff.
How do the birds sound? How does the waterfall sound? How does the wind sound? Do the wind and the waterfall sound the same? No. How does a caterpillar sound?
Inch, inch.
Inch, inch, inch. How does Aunt Karen sound?
You don't get people in.
Oh, you can't do people. Okay, how does frog sound?
Ribbit, ribbit.
Good job. How does a baby cow sound?
Moo, moo.
How about a piglet?
Oink, 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 oink.
What about a baby sheep? That is so good.
Now what else?
Let's see. What does a tractor sound like? What does a pirate sound like?
Arr, arr, arr.
What does Essie sound like? Can't do a person. Can't do a person.
Remember? No people.
No people. What about when Essie pops her gum?
Remember? No gum. No.
Can you make the sound that it makes when I pop my gum?
Pop, pop, pop.
It does. What about when I call Honey? Can you do that sound?
Come here, honey. Come here, honey.
No, this. You could do it. I've heard you. Good job. Okay. How does a horse sound?
Nay. Well, the frog. You know where I found that frog under a turtle thing, under a turtle pool? Well, he was right here and it was hopping towards it, and I caught him right at the steps.
You found it, the frog?
And then he turned like he was about to hop over there, and I caught him.
Was that Sneaky?
Oh, there's that cage I was looking for.
Oh. Was that Sneaky Frog?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I found something to the
Playhouse? Here? Okay.
I'll show you what.
All right. Well, thanks for being on my vlog, Camden.
You do.
Is there any other sound you want to do?
Ruff, ruff.
Oh, rough, rough. Okay, say, see y'all. My name is Camden.
Yeah, my name is Camden.
Thank you for watching our vlog, A Quiet Life.
Thank you,
A Quiet Life.
A flower.
Yeah.